Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about why should you start using Twitter Spaces. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you looking for ways to reach more people online? Twitter Spaces are public. Anyone can join the live audio streaming even if they don't have a Twitter account. Although accounts that are blocked won't be able to listen and join your space. As the host, you have the control to invite anyone to speak during the live conversation on your Twitter space. Twitter Spaces can be used for regular discussions, sharing insights about key topics, or starting Q&A sessions and getting your audience's feedback during the audio discussion. Twitter Spaces can help you reach a broader audience. The real-time discussion can help strengthen your relationship with your audiences. The speakers that you will invite can also add up to the relevance of your topic of discussion. Anyone eligible can start Twitter Spaces and attract users to listen to the live discussion. The virtual chat room can be a place for users to hang out and listen to the speaker. People who are using the hashtag Twitter Spaces can discover your scheduled Twitter Spaces, the recorded playback if the live discussion has ended, or join and listen to the live discussion. Use Twitter Spaces to engage with your existing followers. Your followers might not be updated about what is happening with your business or your brand. Twitter Spaces creates an opportunity to interact with your followers and build a good relationship with them. If you have invited an industry expert to be a speaker on your audio streaming, your followers will be eager to join and listen to the discussion as it is relevant to them. Next, host live events. If you are a part of a local event, you can use Twitter Spaces to start an audio streaming session for real-time coverage of the event. It can be events such as sports, festivals, or anything that is happening in your local area that your audiences might be interested in listening to. People who might not be able to attend that live event will appreciate the Twitter Spaces that you will host for that live event. They will be updated about what is happening, and it will give them a feeling of not missing out on the event, as it might give an experience that your listeners are still part of the live event even if they're in your virtual space. Next, ask your audiences. Since your Twitter Spaces are real-time, you can ask your audience anything. Twitter Spaces allows listeners to raise their hands and request to speak during the live discussion. You can make it a regular schedule to have Q&A sessions with your listeners. This can help you interact with your audience not only once, but regularly. Your audiences will know that they can freely reach out to you during the live audio streaming. This way, more people will join your next scheduled live chat. The recorded playback can also help your audience get back to the discussion if they want to listen to it again. Twitter Spaces can help your brand attract and engage with audiences who follow you or are new to your Twitter account. Using Twitter Spaces, you can create a virtual space to voice out what your brand can offer and allow attendees to voice out their opinions as well. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using PostInfluence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. PostInfluence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try PostInfluence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.